Hello students, this is the session 53 of Fundamental Accounting, Computerized Accounting System. We learn about creation of groups in a tally, how to create groups in a tally. Okay, there are again steps, that is 4 steps are involved here. First step is go to the gateway of tally and then click accounts information. Again you have to open a tally icon. There you have to click accounts information in the tally. Second step is choose the option. In accounts information you will have many options. In that, groups, you have to select groups, and then once you select groups under accounts information, the third step is option create under single group. See here, you have to be clear in the mind whether it's a single group or multiple group. If it is a single group, go for creating single group. There will be option single group, creation and multiple group. So you have to go for creation of single group. And then once the single group has been clicked, you have to accept and enter it. Once it is done, the instructions, the display of the group in the tally. How to display group in tally? Again it's a 5 step. You have to go for the tally, gateway of tally, then accounts information, as we know, again groups. Okay, once it is done, like last time, the step 2 is under single group, click on the option display to the display groups in tally. Okay, you have to have in a single group, go for display. Third step is choose the required group name. Now you have to give the group name in the list of groups to display. Fourth step is now group will display on the screen. Then you have to close the screen, or you can go for clicking quit. Next we have how to alter these groups. So we have created group, we have displayed the group. Now we have again have an option to alter the group. Again we have to go to the same way, gateway of tally, account information and groups. Here once you click the group, there is a option alter is also available. Creation of groups and the display of group, alteration of the group. Once you alter the single group, say again this is a single group. So give from the given search field, we can search the group and click on that group name and modify the details. Whatever the details we have given, you can edit, alter it. After that, you have to accept it and exit from that. Next is how to create a multiple ledger. Okay, in this multiple ledger, go to gateway of tally and then choose accounts information. As earlier groups, this is also same way, go for accounts information. Here we have to choose the option ledger here. Instead of groups, now it is ledger. Under this multiple ledgers, you have to click on create option. Create option under multiple ledger. Next step is enter the required details under multiple ledger. You can give the names of different ledger. Debtor ledger, creditors ledger. In the debtor you have many debtors. Give the name of the debtors. All these things you can do. After update, the group has been created. And again displaying, as we know, you can display those multiple ledgers by going to gateway of tally, accounts information, then ledger, then go to multiple ledgers, and then you have to click for the display. Once the display has been clicked, the list of groups or the names will be appeared. Whatever the name you want to choose display, just click on that. How to alter? Again it's the same. Again creation and displaying, alter. So gateway of tally, account information, in that ledgers you have to go, in that ledger, multiple ledger, while choosing the multiple ledger, then particular ledger you can alter it, and you can make changes, requirement, whatever the alteration you are supposed to do or you want to do, you can do it. That's it. Thank you.